What's going on tonight, guys? We are back working on the DSM, and if you cannot tell, our lighting situation is fixed. I stopped by Menards today and got 2 of these 4-foot LED lights for a pretty good deal, and they are working great. So, and you can see it is a lot better. But, well, I done gave you a little sneak peek of what's going on tonight. So, well, let's hop on into this. Go ahead and start taking stuff out. Some things are already undone, but we'll just pull those out and start disassembling everything. Okay guys, seats are unbolted, so let's pull them out. There it is. That floor is a mess. That carpet is trash. But there are the seats. Yeah, they are not in the best condition, so out with those, and let's keep going. Let's get this back seat torn out. Okay guys, the carpet is ready to be pulled out, so let's get it. Try and give you guys a little bit better view of what I'm doing. Give me one second, let me turn this music off. Okay, that's better. This carpet is horrid. And I haven't actually had the carpet up on this car, so let's see what the underneath looks like. See what all work we got going for us there. And what we find. Let's find something cool. Pop the hatch. And there we go. Carpet is out. And there definitely is some surface rust, but it does not look horrible. Huh. Some wire strippers. That ain't too bad. Unfortunately, I just bought a new set, so that's great. It will definitely be getting cleaned. And the surface rust will be getting taken care of. Because if you know DSMs at all, they are horrible with rust, and this car does not have much at all. A little bit on the rockers, but the strut towers are clean. And that was an issue I had with a lot of my other cars. They were horrible with rust. So let's get some more of this wiring pulled out and see what else we can get done. Well, there it is. Car is completely gutted, stripped. Every bit of interior's out, well, besides the door panels. And just removed the blower motor, all the climate controls, all that good stuff. And you probably see a lot of the wires marked with a green name. That is everything that is going to be stripped from the harness. There's a lot more roomy in here now, I gotta say. But it's like 2 in the morning. I'm getting kind of tired, but give me a chance to get the inside of this cleaned up a little bit, swap out, give you another view, and that'll probably be it for the night. But other than that, we've made some good progress. I mean, hell, check out all of these bolts. That is insane. And here is everything out of the car. That's pretty wild. But like I said, give me a few minutes and I'll be right back with you guys. Well, here it is, guys. I wiped down as much as I could, and this is pretty much it right now. It does look a lot better than it did, but there's still some areas that need taken care of. The surface rust, gotta get that soon before it becomes a problem. You know, this is an old car. Who's telling how many drinks and everything have been spilled in here? But we'll get that knocked out. Still are a few things that need to come out of the car that, well, we'll get out soon enough. The door panels will be coming off next. Door speakers, all that. I decided to go with aluminum door panels. I'll be making them myself, pretty much just like everything on this car. I'll be doing it all my own with the help of some friends here and there. But we will end it on that tonight. It's 4 in the morning and I'm ready to go to bed. So if you like what's going on, please like and subscribe and comment what you think down below. Thank you.